Tesla is leading the charge in the electric vehicle UV revolution, and its most popular SUV, the Model Y, is about to get some exciting updates for 2025. As the EV market heats up with new contenders like Skoda and Porsche, Tesla is not sitting still. The company has a plan to keep the Model Y at the top of its game with a revamped design and cutting-edge tech features. These changes aim to solidify its place as a leader in the electric SUV market. The exterior of the 2025 Model Y is getting a fresh new look, with changes designed not just for style, but also for performance. This redesign, called Project Juniper, is all about making the car more aerodynamic. The goal is to reduce the amount of air resistance, known as drag, the car encounters while driving. For EVs, this is crucial because lower drag means the car uses less energy at higher speeds, which translates to a lower cost for the customer, which drives the cost down for the producing energy sources. Tesla plans to lower the Model Y's drag coefficient from 0.23 to 0.2199, a significant improvement. This puts the Model Y among the most aerodynamic SUVs ever made. Why is this so important? Well, every bit of energy saved on drag can be used to power the car for more miles. Tesla recently improved the range of the Model 3 with similar aerodynamic changes, boosting its range by 8%. If the same applies to the Model Y, its current maximal range of 331 miles could go up to around 357 miles. For comparison, the Skoda Enyaq offers a range of 338 miles, and the Peugeot E308 reaches 310 miles. These improvements could give Tesla a big edge, even for the performance-focused versions of the Model Y, which might see their range increase from 303 miles to about 327 miles. Tesla also plans to address another common complaint about the Model Y: wind noise. This has been an issue for drivers, especially on highways. By tweaking the aerodynamics and using better materials to reduce noise, Tesla aims to create a quieter, more comfortable cabin experience. This is especially important as more brands jump into the EV market with their own offerings. Tesla knows it needs to keep its cars both efficient and enjoyable to maintain its leadership position. Inside the car, Tesla is making some big changes as well. Drawing inspiration from the refreshed Model 3, the new Model Y will have a redesigned center console, with premium materials like higher quality fabrics and finishes. These upgrades will give the Model Y a more luxurious feel, making it competitive with high-end brands like Audi and BMW. This is part of Tesla's effort to appeal not just to tech enthusiasts, but also to buyers who want their cars to look and feel high-end. Another exciting addition to the interior is an 8-inch touchscreen for passengers in the back seat. This screen is perfect for entertainment, especially for families on road trips. Rear passengers will be able to control entertainment options directly, making long drives more enjoyable. However, one potential change that has divided opinions is the possible introduction of new steering controls. Tesla has been experimenting with touch-sensitive pads that replace traditional control stalks. While some people love the futuristic design, others find it less intuitive and worry it could be distracting. Tesla will need to carefully balance innovation with usability to win over skeptical drivers. Please hit that subscribe button to get these kind of content regularly. Let's continue. Comfort is also a priority for the redesigned interior. Tesla plans to improve climate control systems, allowing passengers to set individual temperature preferences. This kind of customization is especially useful for families or groups of friends traveling together, as everyone can stay comfortable. Performance has always been a key selling point for the Model Y, and the 2025 version aims to take things up a notch. While there won't be major changes to the powertrain, the performance variant of the Model Y might see some upgrades. The current performance model already packs a punch with 456 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. But with competition heating up, particularly from Porsche's upcoming electric Macan, Tesla could push the Model Y's performance even further. There are rumors that the 2025 Model Y could deliver over 470 horsepower and cut its 0 to 60 mph time to just 3.1 seconds. Tesla's battery technology has been a cornerstone of its success in the electric vehicle industry. Over the years, the company has continually pushed the boundaries of what's possible with EV batteries, setting new standards for performance, durability, and convenience. In the 2025 Model Y, Tesla's focus on faster charging times signals yet another leap forward in this critical area, building on a rich history of innovation and technical breakthroughs. To understand how Tesla is improving charging times, it's essential to look at the interplay between battery chemistry, cooling systems, and charging infrastructure. At the heart of every Tesla vehicle is a lithium-ion battery, which stores and delivers energy through chemical reactions. These batteries have evolved significantly since Tesla introduced its first car, the Roadster, in 2008. Back then, the Roadster's battery used cylindrical 18650 cells, each about the size of an AA battery, and required several hours to charge fully. Fast forward to today, and Tesla's vehicles, including the Model Y, now use advanced 2170 cells, or the even larger 4680 cells, which pack more energy and support faster charging. The move to 4,680 cells unveiled during Tesla's 2020 Battery Day marked a turning point. These larger cells have a tableless design that reduces internal resistance, allowing for faster energy flow during charging and discharging. This design also improves thermal management, meaning the battery stays cooler even when subjected to high power levels. Cooler batteries are safer and can handle rapid charging more effectively, which is why advancements like these are critical to reducing charging times. Currently, Tesla's superchargers can recharge a Model Y's battery from 10% to 80% in about 25 minutes. This is already a game changer for EV road trips, as it means drivers can stop for a quick break and get back on the road with plenty of range. However, Tesla's ongoing research into battery management systems, BMS, could make this process even faster. The BMS is like the brain of the battery, monitoring its state of charge, health, and temperature to ensure optimal performance. By improving algorithms and hardware, Tesla aims to push the limits of how quickly energy can be safely pumped into the battery. One area where Tesla is likely to make progress is in preconditioning. Before a Tesla arrives at a supercharger, the car automatically warms or cools the battery to its ideal charging temperature. This ensures that energy can flow as quickly as possible once charging begins. Future versions of Tesla's BMS might use even more precise thermal models, further reducing charging times by a few critical minutes. Another key factor is the charging infrastructure itself. Tesla's latest V3 superchargers can deliver up to 250 kilowatts of power, a significant upgrade from the earlier V2 superchargers, which maxed out at 150 kilowatts. With V3, a Model Y can gain about 75 miles of range in just 5 minutes under optimal conditions. However, the potential for even faster charging exists, particularly if Tesla develops a V4 supercharger. These could exceed 350 kilowatts, rivaling the fastest public chargers available today. Combined with improved battery technology, this could make charging stops as quick as filling up a gas tank. Please subscribe to get Tesla updates like this regularly. Let's continue. Faster charging times also depend on advancements in battery chemistry. While Tesla has traditionally relied on nickel-cobalt-aluminium and nickel-cobalt-manganese NCA-M chemistries for its long-range vehicles, the company is also exploring other options. For instance, Tesla has been using lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries in some of its standard range models. While LFP batteries are less energy-dense than NCA or NCM batteries, they are incredibly durable and can handle more frequent and rapid charging cycles. As Tesla refines its battery chemistry across its lineup, it's possible that future versions of the Model Y will benefit from faster charging capabilities without sacrificing long-term battery health. One of Tesla's most ambitious projects is its development of solid-state batteries. While these are not yet ready for mass production, solid-state technology represents a potential game-changer. By replacing the liquid electrolyte found in traditional lithium-ion batteries with a solid material, solid-state batteries promise faster charging, higher energy density, and improved safety. If Tesla can bring this technology to market, it could redefine what's possible for EVs, making long charging times a thing of the past. Tesla's improvements in charging technology also have roots in its strategy to integrate hardware and software. Over-the-air OTA updates allow Tesla to tweak charging speeds, optimize thermal management, and even introduce new features without requiring customers to visit a service center. For example, Tesla has previously used OTA updates to increase the charging power of its vehicles at supercharger stations, effectively improving performance without changing any physical components. This seamless integration of hardware and software gives Tesla a unique advantage in making incremental but meaningful upgrades to its vehicles. The convenience of faster charging times becomes even more apparent when you consider Tesla's global supercharger network, which now includes over 500 stalls worldwide. This network is not only extensive but also exclusive to Tesla vehicles, ensuring minimal wait times and maximum reliability for Model Y owners. By continually upgrading both its cars and its chargers, Tesla is creating a synergistic ecosystem that makes owning an EV as hassle-free as possible. Another area where Tesla continues to push boundaries is autonomous driving. The 2025 Model Y is expected to include upgraded hardware for its autopilot and full self-driving systems. This could mean better cameras and sensors, allowing the car to navigate more complex driving situations with greater accuracy. Tesla has already made significant strides in this area, and further improvements could keep it ahead of rivals. However, as with all self-driving tech, safety and regulatory approval will be key challenges. One big question is how all these upgrades will affect the price of the Model Y. Right now, the base model costs around $43,990, while the performance version is priced at $54,900. Adding new features and better materials might drive up costs, which could make some buyers think twice. Tesla will need to strike a balance, offering enough innovation to justify the price without alienating cost-conscious buyers. The competition in the EV market is fiercer than ever. Brands like Skoda, Porsche, and even traditional automakers are rolling out electric SUVs with impressive specs. But Tesla has an advantage: its ability to integrate cutting-edge technology, high performance, and a well-established charging network. These factors make the Model Y a strong contender, even as the market evolves. Please subscribe to get Tesla updates like this regularly. Let's continue.